So when a metal corrodes, it forms compounds known as oxides or hydrated oxides. So you can see we have Fe, so Fe forming Fe reacting with oxygen to form iron oxide, or reacting with OH to form hydrated iron. So iron corrodes faster because it is more reactive than copper and gold. So but aluminum is also very reactive. Aluminum is actually very reactive as well, and it is even much more reactive than iron. So it reacts faster with oxygen to form aluminum oxide. So this aluminum oxide is a thin film. It's a thin film that is actually very unreactive. So once this oxide is formed, a thin film then covers the metal surface. So because of this thin film that covers the metal surface, there will be prevention of further cracks on the metal surface. So because of these further cracks that will be prevented on the metal surface, then automatically there will also be prevention of further corrosion. So aluminum oxide, which forms this thin film on the surface of the metal, always helps to prevent further corrosion. Now corrosion and rusting, they are very related. Rusting is the oxidation of iron or iron objects. It takes place in the presence of air and moisture. It is a slow process. Now, due to rusting, rust is formed on iron object. It is a red-orange colored iron oxide that is formed by the oxidation of iron in the presence of oxygen. So this is a reaction. Iron reacting with oxygen to form iron oxide, then iron oxide reacting with moisture to form iron oxide, then the moisture content here. So the major difference between corrosion and rusting: while corrosion is a process of deterioration of metals and non-metals by oxidation, rusting is the oxidation of iron or steel in the presence of air and moisture. So that is rusting. So air and moisture is a condition for rusting, and it is mainly iron, unlike corrosion where it is both metals and non-metals. Now corrosion can occur on both metals and non-metal. It may occur on skin and wood as well, but rusting occurs on metals only, such as iron and steel. Also, corrosion includes rusting, but rusting is a type of corrosion. Now corrosion requires exposure to air or chemicals on the surface, but rusting requires air and moisture. Corrosion may require corrosive chemicals such as hydrochloric acid, H2SO4, and other strong acids and bases. But rusting doesn't require chemicals. It just requires air and moisture. Also, in corrosion, the compound or layer that is formed by corrosion can be of different colors such as blue, green, etc. But rusting only forms rust, which is red, orange in color. So that's the basic difference between your corrosion and rusting.